So this tutorial will look at how to add a new page with a sidebar. So in order to add a new page, just simply go to Pages. Here we can go Add New. So it's the same way as adding a new page that we've already seen. So at the top of the page, we can add a new title. So Sidebar Page. So these are the ones we have set up underneath the research section of the website. So to add some content, we can simply add the element. So first of all, we'll create a row, and then inside this row, we'll add a text block. So you can just kind of ignore everything else here for now because we're just going to be working with the text blocks. So once this uploads here, we can put our content in. So sample sidebar. Select Save Changes. We'll then scroll down underneath the quote title. This is where you can add a new image. So title area top to bottom. Here we can add the title. So if you wanted to have the title appearing on the image, we can do it like this. So I think we have them all set up to white for now. Then you can upload a background image. Let's just select one that's already available to us. This one here, select image, and make sure you select responsive title yes, and you can just leave all the other settings as is. So scrolling down now, in order to create this page and turn it into having a sidebar, you must select quote sidebar. Here we can select the layout. So for the other pages, I have it that there's 3/4 main area and then there's a quarter sidebar right. Now you can replace the sidebar to the right or to the left. For sake of consistency, I'll put it to the right for now. So once you have all those settings made, you can scroll up and select Publish. Once this is uploaded, then you can simply select View Page. And this should show us our content area with some space to put in a sidebar at the end. So let's look here. So here we can see the contents right over at the side. Now in order to add something to the sidebar area, you'll have to go into the widget section. So going back into the dashboard, we can go under Appearance, Widgets. Now in order to add a widget to the sidebar, you will have to first look at the sidebar page. We're going to be looking at adding it in here. What you need to add is a visual editor. So we need to scroll down and we can find the visual editor. Simply select this. Here you can add where you want to add it to. So we're going to add it to the sidebar page. Select Add Widget. We'll now notice this has appeared underneath the sidebar page. We can give it a title, Sidebar Example. So here we can put some content in, maybe just some text that we can put back and forth. So underneath this, we then need to show where it's going to be. So the show widget for everyone. So we're going to show on checked page, then we scroll down and we find out what page we want to put it on. So the page we created was sample page, sidebar page. So let's select that, select Save. This is updated, we can close it down. Now let's go back to our page section, so all pages. And here we can find a list of all our pages so we can find where the sample sidebar page was. So let's look at View. This will take us back into the page. Yeah, now so here we can see we've created a new page. It's got the image, how to add the image, the menu item, the content, as well as the sidebar content on the side.